Welcome back, another day, another profit opportunity. In this video, I am sharing a strategy that's helped my community band consistently. Want the same results? Join my Telegram and let's grow together, guys. So guys, today is OTC market, all the currency pairs have the highest payout rate and it means that we are gonna make good profit really fast. So let's move on to the strategy. We are gonna need only two indicators. The first one is the Accelerator Oscillator, and of course we'd better use one of the channel indicator. For example, let it be the Bollinger bands. So we need to set the period to 20 and deviation 2. So these are the most reliable settings, especially if you trade on a 1 minute time frame. So our main signal will be the touch of the upper or lower boundary of the Bollinger bands, and also we are gonna watch the color of the histogram on the accelerator. And another signal is when the accelerator crosses the level 0. I'll show you how it works in practice. But before we get started, let's update the trade amount and let's begin the trading session. Now with the best timing for opening a loan here, the new red candle just show up, so we see some kind of flat in this zone, and previously the price went into correction. The price bounced from the upper boundary of the Bollinger, and there was a false breakout, but the price started going down. By the way, we see negative histogram on the accelerator, which means that bears are in control so far, but I'm sure that the rebound is just about to happen, so let's watch the price movement. And there we go, guys. 300 backs on the bounce, and again there are false breakdown, but the price returned inside the channel and now it's going up, so exactly as we predicted. Let's continue. Let's open a loan here, guys. Everything is really simple. We play out the potential bounce from the middle line of the Bollinger bands. Previously there was a good correction on the chart and now the price should continue going up, so in the direction of the current trend. Meanwhile, we see the green histogram on the accelerator, and I have no doubt that the price will go up. This is so predictable considering the fact that we see the uptrend on the chart. And we got it, guys. This position is also in profits. Great trade, a really good signal. Now the correction is over and the price will go higher, so as you can see, these Bollinger settings work perfectly, and let's keep going, guys. Well, I think it makes sense to open a short here. We play ahead of the market and the price has to touch the lower boundary of the Bollinger bands. We count on that. You should also pay attention to the negative histogram on accelerator. Moreover, the histogram crossed the level 0, which is a huge bearish signal, guys. And look at this beautiful touch, exactly as predicted, perfect position entry. Let's enjoy the price movement. And we're on the profits again, so now I got 1200 backs, so great outcome. I want to show you one more time. Let's continue our trading session. So let's open a loan here without hesitation. So the accelerator histogram just crossed the level 0, but now to the upside, which is a huge bullish signal, guys. The price will definitely reach the upper boundary, there is no doubt about it. At the same time, we see the positive diagram on accelerator, which tell us that the upward dynamic should dominate. Just look at this massive breakout. exactly what we expected. So we can open trades like this. They are reliable. So and there we go, guys. So we are in profits again. The price was above the trade entry level all the time. Perfectly calculated, guys. So let's find another good entry point. Oh, look at this red candle. So let's open a short here. We can observe some kind of flat on the chart, and let me explain. First of all, we see this huge positive dynamics on the accelerator, and obviously it should go into correction. Then we see the touch of the upper boundary of the Bollinger bands, which means that the price has to go into correction. We don't see high volatility here, actually it looks like flat. The price goes this way, and I think the price is gonna go lower, and let's see, guys. And yep, another position having closing profits, good job as always. We can already see 4k on the balance, so take a look and let's continue our trading session. Let's open two long positions here. I'm gonna show you one more time. So previously there was a strong uptrend on the chart, and then we see this correction. The price touched the lower boundary of the Bollinger bands, and I think the uptrend should continue and the price will go to the upside. So at the same time, look at this green histogram on the accelerator, and this is a bullish signal. The pullback is gonna happen, and have a look at this breakout, guys. We got perfect position entry level, and let's see, guys. And there we go, we got almost 8k backs, 8k on the balance. So far so good. I think we open our final position and then we fix the profit. So let's open our short positions here. Let me show you one more time. So the price touched the upper boundary of the Bollinger bands, and at the same time we have a huge resistance level here. I think the price will bounce from this level. In addition, the price should go into correction after the touch of upper boundary. That's why we opened the short. So have a look at this negative histogram here. Accelerator crossed level 0 to the downside. This is huge bearish signal. Let's have a look at this correction. The red candle just show up exactly as we predicted. And there we go, we had a huge profit today, guys. Good job, I think it should be enough for today. So we started from 140 bucks, if I'm not mistaken, and in a few minutes we have 13k bucks. That's insane profit, guys. So let's move on to withdrawal. And let's withdraw 13,400 bucks. That will do, guys. So one moment. And there we go, the withdrawal request has been sent. I'm gonna show you the screen as always. Actually, OTC market can help us make money really fast, of course if you can open position properly and can find good signals. So be sure to try this strategy in your own trading. Thanks for watching and see you.